Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're also a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I am going to be using the Good Stuff No Rinse Conditioner, the Complete Repair Balm, which is this. If you saw my Target Beauty haul, then you saw this product. So I just want to, it's called the Good Stuff. So I'm actually going to be using it. Somebody suggested, I believe it was Mimi is Mighty Incredible. You should definitely check her. A leave-in, but I wanted to actually try it as a pre-poo to see if I liked it as a pre-poo. So that's what I'm going to be doing before. And of course, I'm going to use my spray bottle to spritz my hair before I apply this product. So before I actually tried this product, because I never smelled it on camera last time, it smells really good, and I like the smell of it. Okay, so I just want to share with you guys more about the Good Stuff No Rinse Conditioner. So this is actually a complete repair balm, which is good for damaged hair. If you have damaged hair, it's a vegan product, no parabens, no dyes, and it's vegan. And it says, using your conditioner, so to get the best from your Good Stuff, ladder up with our sulfate-free shampoo, which I don't have first, and then skip the rinse-off conditioner. Start with a quarter-size amount and spread on your hands and work through towel-dried hair, avoiding the roots. Then do your stuff drying and styling as you wish. So like I said, I use this as a pre-poo, so I did not use this as a no-rinse conditioner. Or for us in the natural hair community, it's basically a leave-in, but I use it as a pre-poo. I'm sure it would be work great as a leave-in. It works great as a pre-poo. Maybe the next time though, I'll probably use it as a leave-in. And although this is dye-free and paraben-free, I remember I did read somewhere that it does have sulfate. So there are some good brand stuff that do have sulfates, even though it's vegan. So yeah. But either way, I think it's good. Like I said, it smells really good. And the one that I have is the small sample size, once again. So hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And you'll hear me talking at the end, but this is all I have to say for now. I'm actually just going to leave this in for maybe like the most 10 minutes just to let it penetrate a little bit more into my hair before I wash it, and then I'm going to actually wash it. 10 minutes goes by so fast. I just like went to go take off my nail polish because like I felt like my nail polish was getting into my hair and it was annoying. So but I'm just going to take it down, show you guys what my hair is looking like. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. It feels nice for sure. This is definitely, so like I said, this is complete repair balm. So it's good for damaged hair. So if you do have damaged hair, and then yeah, so this is what, hopefully you guys can see it, but this is what it's looking like. And then I'll show you guys the back. So yeah, I definitely think it smells good. This is not the full size product. The full size product, I believe, if you saw my Target Beauty haul, you should definitely go check that out. But I believe it was $7.99 for the regular full size. This one is just a 2 fluid ounces because I got it in a beauty box. So I got the sample sizes. But hope you guys enjoyed this, the good stuff review, and I will see you guys for the next natural hair video, whenever that is. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, you comment down below, you hit the red subscribe button, and you hit the post notification bell, the bell next to it, so that you're notified every time that I post a new video. Bye.